Canada is always calling and asking migrants to come, leave your home country and come to Canada in search of better. But foreigners are always finding it difficult to find jobs that sponsor their visa, along with their families. It's very difficult to find jobs from outside from your home country to move to Canada. This is why I'm making this video, to show you 2 tricks that would help you get jobs in Canada. Hello everyone, this is your one and only WKa&x doctor, always bringing you the best gist when it comes to moving abroad. Today is not going to be any different. I'm going to be sharing tips about how to get jobs in Canada from all around the world, wherever you are. And I'm going to tell you why you are not getting that job. 2 quick things I like to pass across. For everyone who's just watching me for the first time, I want to say welcome. This is where you would find information about traveling, moving, living abroad. And for those returning subscribers, I want to say thank you for your support. Thank you for always watching my videos. I love you all. You know how we do it here. All we do is share information about how to live, work, move, anything that has to do with moving abroad. This is where you want to be. Now, 2 quick things. Number 1 is to say that I'm not on WhatsApp and I'm not on Telegram. So if you find anybody in the comment section, someone reaching out to you saying, WKa&x doctor is on WhatsApp, WKa&x doctor is on Telegram, please, it is not me. Number 2 is to say that a few months ago, I wrote a book that's titled Move Abroad by Force. The idea behind the book is to help you be able to process your travel abroad on your own. So if you're looking to move abroad without the use of an agent, you want to do it by yourself, then you need to get this book. This book has different pathways, scholarships. It's got, if you want to move abroad without a degree, if you want to move abroad with second-class law, you want to move abroad with no job offer, you're looking for cheap alternatives to move abroad, everything is detailed in this book. It's a one-stop shop for everything that has to do with moving abroad. How do you get this book? Just check the description box of this video and you'll be able to find the link to acquire the book. If you also want to reach out to me, the only way to reach out to me is in the description box of this video. Good. Let's dive right into what we've got today. I want to show you 2 tricks as to why how you can get jobs in Canada from anywhere you are. The reason why people don't often get jobs, it's difficult, but this is the reason. A lot of jobs that you apply for are not open to foreigners. You have to look for a job that has a positive LMIA. What is LMIA? LMIA is a labor market impact assessment. It's a document, that an employer in Canada would need to hire a foreign worker. Okay. Now, a positive LMIA will show that there is a need for a foreign worker to fill the job in that company. It will also show that no Canadian, or permanent resident, no Canadian worker or permanent resident is able or available to do that job. So they need a foreign worker. Now, there is a document where you can find a list of companies that have positive LMIA. You can also see the number of roles they need to be filled, so that gives you, the knowledge that tells you, okay, this is the company I can apply to. This is how to apply, and I'm going to show you. It's a very long list, so you have to go through. If you're desperate to find jobs in Canada, you have to go through those companies one after the other. How do you find these companies? The first thing I want you to do is go on Google and just type positive LMIA employers list. Go on Google and just type positive LMIA employers list. The first thing that pops out to you is, make sure it's a government website. Make sure it's canada.ca, and you will see temporary foreign worker program. Okay, that's the first thing that jumps to you. Click on it and it opens a big page. Now, this page, you're going to see something like temporary foreign worker program, TFWP, positive labor market impact assessment employers list. Okay, and if you scroll down on that list, you would see everything. You would see a lot of, you would see from, I think, 2018 up until 2023. Now, we are concerned about 2023 because that's where we are. If you click on, at the bottom of the screen, you would see that there's Q1, there's Q2 for 2023. And you would also see that there are English and French. If you're French, you click on the French. If you're English, you click on English. I am English, so I'm going to click on 2023 Q2, employers who were issued a positive labor market impact assessment by program stream, English. All right. So if you click on it, it's going to open another page, and you will see underneath a URL link, long list, and it says download. Once you click on that link, it's going to download the list for you. It opens the list, and it's a big list of companies. You would see different companies in Canada. If you move to the right, you will see the number of LMIA positive LMIAs they have in that company, and you will see how much they've even issued. So all you need to do is pick the companies, go on Google, check them out, and see their career section. Apply for the roles you want. It's going to be a painstaking responsibility on your behalf, but this is one trick that I think you should know. Number 2 is the popular website. It's popular, but a lot of people still don't know it. It's a government website, and it's called Job Bank. www.jobbank.gc.ca. You need to create an account with Job Bank. Once you create an account with Job Bank, the next thing you want to do is to use your filters. At the top of your screen, you will see advanced settings. Make sure that you click on advanced settings, and make sure at the bottom of the advanced settings, you can click on any job role you want. There are different job roles, job position, location, whatever you want. That's up to you. But the most important thing is at the bottom of that your screen, on that advanced settings, you will see where it's clearly listed to apply for roles by foreign migrants, people who are outside Canada, such that when you apply for jobs, it will show you only jobs that are available to people outside Canada and not just everybody. So you see open to applicants outside Canada, open to international applicants, open to foreign applicants. So that means when you're outside Canada, you can apply. Once you click that, you then go ahead and use other filters. You're an administrator, you're a technician, you're a machinist, you are a lawyer, you are a doctor, whatever position you think you are, you can now start looking for jobs in those positions. These are 2 of the 3 that I think will be able to help you. It's not as if, you just get this and it works, boom. No. But these are some of the tricks that I've seen people use, and it has worked for them in the past. And I'm hoping that it does the same for you too. So do not forget, positive employers list, positive LMIA employers list, and www.jobbank.gc.ca. Go through that website, Job Bank. It's very, very exceptional, and I think you should use it. Thank you to everyone who's watched this episode. You can feel free to share to all your friends and those who are aspiring to move to Canada. And I hope that this has been very helpful. Till I see you again, another episode. It's your one and only WKa&x Doctor, and I'm signing out.